are our stem cells. Remember I said that we formed in a womb with stem cells?
Yeah.
Well, when we're born, we have extra stem cells left over that were not used. So it's kind of like painting a room. If you're painting a room and you're going to buy paint, right? You always buy extra paint because the last thing you want to do is to run out of paint before you finish the job. What do you do when the room has been completed from painting? You've got extra cans of paint. So what do? You put the cap on, you put it in your garage, okay, for another time if you need to spot check. Well, this is actually what happens with our stem cells. When we're born, and our organs have formed with all these stem cells, the overage, and we've got extra stem cells. In fact, we've got 750 million extra stem cells when we're born. That gets packed up into our bone marrow where it basically sits for most of our lives until we need to repair our organs from the inside out. So regeneration, our ability to be able to renew ourselves, is another health defense system.
Imagine sitting across from a friend who's eager to share life-changing wisdom that could transform your health. That friend is Dr. William Li, a renowned physician and scientist whose books, like Eat to Beat Disease, have reshaped how we view food as medicine. His focus on stem cells, those incredible repair workers in your body, offers a practical path to healing and vitality. Through his work, you'll meet Sam, a 71-year-old who turned his life around with Dr. Li's insights, and you'll discover how you can do the same. So, grab a cozy seat, and let's dive into this journey together. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to join our community of health explorers. Picture Sam, a vibrant 71-year-old with a laugh that lights up a room. A few years ago, he faced a cancer diagnosis that dimmed his spark. Fear crept in, but Sam wasn't ready to give up. He stumbled across Dr. Li's wisdom, which promised that certain foods could boost stem cells to repair and regenerate his body. Could something as simple as food really make a difference? You might be wondering the same thing, and Sam's story will show you just how powerful this approach can be. Dr. Li teaches that stem cells are like your body's carpenters, tirelessly rebuilding damaged tissues. As we age, these workers slow down, but specific foods can rev them up again. Sam learned that dark chocolate, yes, that rich, velvety treat, contains polyphenols that can double the stem cells in your bloodstream. Imagine savoring a square of 70% dark chocolate after dinner, knowing it's not just a treat, but a boost for your body's repair crew. Have you ever thought of chocolate as medicine? Try adding a small piece to your evening routine and see how it feels. Sam's mornings began to transform with Dr. Li's gentle guidance, setting a hopeful tone for his healing journey. He swapped his usual buttery toast for a steaming cup of green tea, which studies show can boost stem cell activity by an impressive 43% in just 2 weeks. The tea's earthy, soothing aroma became a comforting daily ritual, signaling a fresh, vibrant start to his day. Dr. Li emphasizes that green tea's potent bioactives, like egg, protect your DNA while mobilizing stem cells to repair and rejuvenate tissues. Why not brew a warm cup today and sip your way to better health? It's a small, nurturing step that feels like a cozy hug from the inside. Let's talk about Sam's lunch, which turned into a colorful, joyful adventure with every plate he prepared. He started tossing goji berries into his crisp salads, their sweet tart pop adding a burst of delight to every single bite. Dr. Li highlights goji berries for their remarkable ability to activate stem cells, helping your body regenerate and heal from within. Sam noticed his energy steadily creeping back, and his doctor was genuinely amazed at his rapid progress. What's a wholesome food you love that could double as powerful medicine? Next time you're at the store, grab some goji berries and sprinkle them into your meals for a vibrant, health-boosting lift. Transitioning to dinner, Sam wholeheartedly embraced the Mediterranean diet, a cornerstone of Dr. Li's life-changing philosophy. Picture a plate piled high with olive oil-drizzled roasted veggies, flaky grilled fish, and a crunchy handful of nuts, each bite bursting with rich flavor and healing power. These foods, packed with omega-3s and bioactives, support stem cell activity while reducing harmful inflammation throughout your body. Sam's evening meals felt like a festive celebration, never a chore, filled with joy and nourishment. Have you tried a Mediterranean-inspired dish lately to brighten your table? It's a delicious, satisfying way to nurture both your body and soul. Dr. Lee's wisdom isn't just about adding foods. It's about avoiding those that harm your body's natural healing. Sam learned to steer clear of sugary sodas and processed meats, which can dampen stem cell function and fuel chronic inflammation. Instead, he reached for red bell peppers, their crisp, sweet crunch packed with vitamin C and that energize stem cells and boost immunity. Imagine biting into a vibrant pepper, knowing it's helping your body fight back with every delicious mouthful. What's one processed food you could swap for a fresh, nutrient-rich alternative? Your stem cells will thank you for making this simple, powerful change. Sam's journey wasn't without challenges, as he craved his old comfort foods like greasy burgers and salty fries. But Dr. Lee's approach isn't about deprivation. It's about embracing abundance with flavorful, healing ingredients. Sam discovered a hearty bowl of lentil soup, spiced with golden turmeric, could be just as satisfying and soul-warming. Turmeric's curcumin, Dr. Lee explains, has pro-regenerative properties that support stem cells and combat cancer cells effectively. Ever tried cooking with turmeric's warm, earthy spice? A pinch in your soups or rice dishes adds a vibrant glow and a significant health boost. Let's pause for a moment and reflect on Sam's inspiring transformation. His story shows that small, intentional choices, like sipping soothing green tea or nibbling rich, dark chocolate, can spark remarkable changes in your health. Dr. Lee's wisdom makes complex science feel approachable, turning everyday meals into opportunities for healing and renewal. You don't need a medical degree to begin, just a willingness to try new, wholesome foods. What's one new ingredient you're excited to add to your plate this week? Share your thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear your ideas and cheer you on. As Sam's health improved, he noticed more than physical changes. His mood lifted, and he felt a renewed sense of purpose. Dr. Lee points out that foods like dark chocolate and nuts also support your gut microbiome, which influences your brain and emotions. Imagine biting into a walnut, its earthy crunch feeding the trillions of bacteria that keep you balanced. Sam's newfound joy was contagious, inspiring his friends to join his journey. Could your meals use a mood-boosting upgrade? A handful of nuts might be the perfect start. One of Sam's favorite discoveries was red wine, enjoyed in moderation. Dr. Lee notes that resveratrol found in red wine and grapes can suppress cancer stem cells while boosting healthy ones. Sam savored a glass with dinner, its deep ruby hue a reminder of life's simple pleasures. Of course, moderation is key. Dr. Lee advises 1 to 2 glasses daily at most. Do you enjoy a glass of wine with your meals? It's a small ritual that can align with your health goals. Let's talk about cancer stem cells for a moment, as they're a critical part of Sam's story. Unlike healthy stem cells, these rogue cells can fuel cancer's return. Dr. Lee's research shows that foods like soy, celery, and oregano can target these harmful cells without affecting the good ones. Sam added tofu to his stir-fries, its mild flavor soaking up vibrant spices. Have you experimented with soy in your cooking? It's a versatile ingredient that could become a staple in your kitchen. Sam's transformation wasn't just about food, it was about mindset. Dr. Lee's wisdom empowered him to see himself as an active participant in his healing. Each meal became a choice to invest in his future, and that shift was liberating. You too can take control of your health, one bite at a time. What's a small change you could make today to feel more empowered? Let's start this journey together, and don't forget to share your progress in the comments. As months passed, Sam's cancer markers improved, stunning his doctors. His energy returned, and he started gardening again, his hands in the soil feeling like a metaphor for his renewal. Dr. Lee's approach, grounded in science, gave Sam tools to support his body's natural defenses. You can tap into that same power, using foods you already love. Why not pick one tip from Sam's story, like adding goji berries or green tea, and try it this week? It's a step toward a healthier you. Dr. Lee's philosophy extends beyond stem cells to your body's 5 defense systems: angiogenesis, microbiome, DNA protection, immunity, and regeneration. Each food Sam embraced, from olive oil to matcha tea, supported these systems in harmony. Imagine your body as a symphony, with every bite playing a note to keep it in tune. This holistic approach makes Dr. Lee's wisdom so compelling. It's not just about one miracle food, but a lifestyle of abundance. Ready to compose your own health symphony? Start with a single ingredient and build from there. Sam's story is a reminder that age is just a number. At 71, he reclaimed his vitality, proving it's never too late to make a change. Dr. Lee's wisdom shows that food isn't just fuel. It's a tool to rebuild, repair, and renew. You have the same opportunity to rewrite your health story, no matter where you are in life. What's holding you back from taking that first step? Let's break through those barriers together. Now, picture yourself a year from now, feeling stronger, more vibrant, and in tune with your body. That's the gift Dr. Lee's wisdom offers, and Sam's journey is proof it works. You don't need to overhaul your life. Just start with one small, delicious change, like a cup of green tea or a square of dark chocolate. Join our community of health seekers by liking, commenting, subscribing, and sharing this video. Let's inspire each other to eat, heal, and thrive. Together, we can make every bite count.